Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Cheche Stitches. Today's tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made this customized tote bag. Subscribe to this channel for more beautiful videos like this to come. Without wasting much time, let's get started. So guys, before we get straight into the tutorial, in this channel I've shared different tote bag tutorials. So guys, I'm going to be dropping the link to all these types of tote bag tutorial in the description box. So if you are interested, you can go and check it out and you learn. Thank you. So guys, in making of this particular tote bag, the material I worked with is a Chinook material. The reason why I usually work with Chinook material is because it is very good in making tote bags, especially tote bag for students. Because if you use a stretchy material in making a tote bag, the weight of the book will now be stretching down the material, and it will also make it to not last for a long time, and it's not good. Just don't use a stretchy material in making tote bag. Just use something like Ankara. You can use Ankara. Ankara is not stretchy. Ankara material is not stretchy. It's good in making tote bag and every other type of non-stretchy material. Just know that in making tote bag, do not use stretchy materials. So the material is on a fold now and the length is 16 inches while the width is 14 inches. So for the handle of this tote bag, I cut out length 27 inches and width 4.5 inches. I'm also going to go on and cut out lining for the main body of this tote bag, the same length and width as well as the main tote bag. So I'm going to go right on my sewing machine and stitch the both handle just like this. Once I'm done stitching the boat handle, I'm going to use this passing pin to turn it inside out. Once I was done turning the boat handle inside out, I'm going to go right on my sewing machine and top stitch on both sides just like this. After the top stitching, this is how the handle looks like. So for me to find a perfect place and perfect measurement to add the handle to the tote bag, I'm going to use my tape and I'll come in by 2.5 inches. I'll use a chalk and mark it there on both sides. Then I'm going to place the handle at that line of 2.5 inches. I'll go right on my sewing machine and stitch it. So if you want to know the easy method in targeting the placing of the handle, just don't let the wideness of the handle to be much. Let it be moderate just like this. You understand? So the 2.5 inches I took is very good for the wideness of the handle. So I'm going to be adding the zipper and the lining to the tote bag. So I got the zipper, I placed the good face to it, and I topped the lining on top of it. I stitched it. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to also do the same thing by facing the zipper part to the second part this way and go right to my sewing machine and stitch it. But you have to place the lining on top of the zipper before stitching. After I was done adding the zipper and the lining, I'm going to go right to my sewing machine and top stitch on both sides just like this. After the top stitching, I'm going to add back the zip head. So guys, after I was done stitching up the both side of the tote bag and closing up the rough part of the lining, this is how the tote bag came out. The next step is the customization stuff. So I'm going to go to the shop. I have to customize it in the market. There's one man customizing it there, and I'll customize it, and that's basically all in the making of this customized tote bag. But you can actually have your own sticker at home and just, you know, wrap it up. But I just wanted to do it in the market because I don't have the sticker here with me, and it's difficult getting it around this on my side. And so that's basically all. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I'm going to see you all in my next tutorial. Bye.